forgotten, lost to time and nature. This is where legends go to die, or perhaps to be reborn. But some legends refuse to stay buried. A discovery, a rescue. The journey back from the swamp begins. The grime of decades is blasted away. Beneath the moss and mud, the iconic silhouette emerges. This isn't just a car, it's a symbol, and it's ready for its second act. Inside, the cockpit is a battlefield of decay. Every component, every wire, every seat, meticulously cleaned, restored, or replaced. Precision is paramount. Batman's command center must be flawless. The bodywork is stripped bare. Rust yields to polished metal. Every curve, every fin is sculpted back to perfection. This is artistry as much as engineering. The heart of the beast, the turbine engine, BAT-1. Once choked with sludge, now rebuilt with gleaming pistons and a roaring spirit. Power is being rekindled. The engine finds its home. Wiring is connected. Switches are tested. The nervous system comes alive. It's no longer just metal. It's becoming a machine with purpose. The final coat, a deep, menacing black sprayed with care, buffed to a mirror finish that reflects not just light. The armor is complete. Wheels are fitted. Suspension tuned. The canopy seals shut. Every bolt tightened. The Batmobile is assembled, whole and ready. And now, ignition. The dashboard awakens. Lights flare, gauges rise, the turbine spins and roars to life. Smoke billows, power surges. The legend is awake. Look at it, gleaming, imposing. The Batmobile stands complete, not a museum piece but a weapon, a statement. The Dark Knight's chariot, restored to its terrifying glory. The garage doors open, tires scream against the pavement, smoke fills the air. It's time to unleash this fury, and there it goes, roaring down the open road, bathed in golden sunset. Flames erupt from its rear, dust kicks up behind it.